So as I told you, there are certain things which you can start doing as a parent. One is start early. Start introducing brush and other things into a child's mouth as early as a child is born. You start with wiping the gum pads, then slowly go and turn into your finger brush. Now, finger brush is easily available in the market. There is also a video which I have created on my channel as to how you can take care of your oral hygiene from 0 to 2 years. It is available on my YouTube channel. So that can be used. And then start using plain brush. Don't introduce paste very early, but you can start using the brush by dipping them in water initially. So this routine, if you follow, then the child is more aware of your things like what is dental treatment is. And then don't use dentistry as a fear. Don't threaten a child saying that if you don't do this, I will take you to a dentist, or if you do this, your dentist will pull your teeth out. Now all this will inculcate a negative attitude towards dentistry. Third thing, what you have to do is never talk anything negative about the scenario. Like you have seen parents, your friend's child has got a root canal treatment done and you're very scared, and then you come and tell, if you're going to do this and you will also have a root canal, then the child associates a doctor always with the factor that they're going to come and inject you, you're going to pull your teeth out. So stop talking about negativity. Then the other thing you can do is tell positive about why should you brush your teeth. Why is it important to have a routine brushing habit? Why is it important that you eat chocolates and sweets only limited amount of time, not munch on regularly? And why is eating raw vegetables and fruits, it's healthy? Say, connect it like eating carrot is good for your eyes. When you start telling them the positive, because child always considers parents as a role model, they want to look like either a mother or a father. So when you say that this is what I was doing in my childhood, and if you do this, you're going to have a very healthy life, and your teeth are going to be there without any issues. When you start telling the positivity of things, they will definitely listen. They're not that they're not going to listen. And then you do behavior modification, like you have to take the child to a dentist, then book an appointment with the dentist. Before that, start doing a role play at your home. Show them some videos. Your child will have some cartoon character which they usually associate with. There will definitely be a episode or video on how the particular character visits your dentist. Show them those. You also have apps on your phone, like dentist games. So you show them how the dentist works. When you start doing this, the child would look forward for a dental appointment rather than being fearful about the appointment. So you start early, positive attitude. All this will help you in future.